Okay, you could stir gently but faster.
Okay.
We're gonna be here 10 years.
Okay, and then tenderize it.
3 drops.
Is that
detergent? Now how much you put in?
1.2 milliliters.
3.5, whatever. Where's the lid?
What's the stir gently? Dirty.
Okay, so stir it again.
That's meat tenderizer.
Stir it again.
That's 1.23.
No, she said no bubbles. Just put in the...
Okay.
Okay, that's good.
2.5 of baking soda.
Is that 2.5?
2.5 of baking soda?
Not
baking
soda?
Oh, and we're supposed to let it sit because we're supposed to use the meat tenderizer and take it and put it here.
Is that enough?
I put in 2 of these by accident.
Don't get it screwed up.
We did it on accident.
Yeah. You have a different thing?
No, we're good.
Oh, that was cool. Okay.
Does that look right?
Yeah. Go ahead. You add the baking soda? So
No.
2.5?
Oh, this is cool.
We already added the meat tenderizer.
Perfect.
How many of the meat tenderizer? 12?
No, okay, it says 1.2. I didn't see that. What do we put in? Is that even? Yeah, it doesn't matter.
Put lots in so it explodes.
Yeah. Yeah.
We're not really doing this.
wanted to do something cool.
That would make my day.
It says stir.
Continue to stir for 1 minute. Let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes.
You're on the floor.
I think they hope that. We're paying attention.
What do we do with this?
We use that completely. And okay, how does this thingy actually absorb anything?
You have to go like this. No, we have to wait. Yeah.
Okay. So are you at
Try to squeeze them like this.
No,
I squeezed it too much. It's black as
so
5
if you're at the
milliliters.
transfer part, thank you very much.
It doesn't say.
Make sure.
Yeah, put a lot of it.
Okay,
Don't
before
put it. It's
everyone-
Don't put
Oh,
it
that's
in.
fine.
Why not?
Before transferring,
No, it says 1.2. I know, but we didn't put enough. We only put
when you transfer,
I only put half.
I don't want you to go all the way to
Yeah,
the
it says
bottom of the
1.2.
beaker because otherwise little particles of wheat germ will come up and clog the little pipette there. Okay?
What about that?
So
Okay, I think
take
we can
from the top part. Okay?
We're gonna stop now.
Do we put this in?
And
We already did.
5 milliliters.
That was like step 2.
How much more put this in?
I don't test tube. That's like 5 milliliters.
Okay. How much is 5 milliliters?
What?
That's 5 milliliters. Right there.
4.93. It's good enough.
Did you transfer?
You already did this, maybe?
It was good. That's good squirt.
I think we. Wait, no, in here.
Wait, no, that has to stay here. That's a That's a test tube.
What? 5 milliliters. How much?
I'm so confused.
No, not in there.
We take one with your camera?
No, wait, we need one more.
Oh, okay.